Is it on?
Yes. Okay.
Hey guys, it's me, Mary, and it's me cleaning up my room. Yeah, it's really dirty. So, and also I am doing everything that I can do. And you're gonna help me! Well, let me choose my outfit. Okay, let me choose what we should wear. Should I do this one or this one? I should do this one. Wow! Now I choose my pants. Should I wear this one, guys, or this one, guys? I'll do this one. Cool. Now to clean my room. Everybody, you know what? I have a gun.
What?
I have a gun.
Really? Show me.
I feel like I'm sleeping. I quit. See you tomorrow. Subscribe down below.